Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to do a beautiful hairstyle and my mom is going to do it on my hair after I washed my hair. And let's just get on with the video.
To start off this style, I will first be sectioning the front part of our hair using my African parting comb. After that section has been put away, it is time to moisturize the other part of our hair. Now to start moisturizing, I first spray it with some water and then I add in my moisturizing cream, and this is just a leave-in conditioner that I'm using. After I've thoroughly done that, I'm going to add in some gel, and whenever you use gel, you always want to moisturize the hair first. Because of the thickness of our hair, I'm going to brush our edges with a paddle brush because I want our hair to be really slick. I'm going to put it away in a ponytail for now so that I can work on the front section. For the front section, you want to split that section into half. Once you've done that, you want to take one half and then split that again. You can split this into as many parts as you want, but I am going to choose to split it 4 times. The last portion in the crown of our hair, make that the smallest part. Now let's start working on our hair. You choose the kind of rubber bands you want. I'm actually choosing green color to match our clothes and just tie that off. So we're just gonna go around and just tie off the hair individually. And what you want to do after that is you're gonna take one section of our hair that you're working with and you're gonna roll it. So all I'm doing is just rolling the hair gently. Once you've rolled the hair, you want to take it and connect it with that small last section, remember? Now you want to just take a black elastic. You can use the same color of elastic and just gently tie that up. You repeat that on the opposite side, so just take that, roll it up and connect it to the very last section. Once you've repeated this, this is what it will look like at the end. So now that we are done with this section, it is time to work on the bun. Now for the bun area, you can decide to just put it in a puff, simple puff, and you're ready to go. But what I'm doing is I'm doing a protective style, so I do want to protect our ends. So I'm just rolling it and just tucking it in to create a bun. Now if you don't have enough hair, you can click that button that just popped up to learn how to create your own bun, you know, DIY bun, and then you can use that, and that is about it. That is the style, and just shape up your bun the way that you want it to appear, and that is it.
This is the hairstyle. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share it to the world. And thank you guys again so much for watching, and we'll see you in another video. Bye! Mwah.